Hi everyone, today I am very excited to introduce you with our latest creation. That's the Caferacer kit for Ducati Scrambler. After months of dedication, we have crafted a kit that seamlessly blends the retro styling with modern design elements. Now let's talk about why this kit is a game changer. First, it is a bolt-on kit. Easy installation with no welding, grinding, drilling required. Secondly, no worries about voiding your bike's warranty. Third, it's a lightweight fairing designed for optimal performance without sacrificing the agility of your motorcycle. What all comes in the kit? We include all the mounts, nuts, bolts, everything is included, and you just need the right set of tools to install the fairing. Fifth, the color matches with your Ducati's original color scheme. Starting from the front of the motorcycle, this is the Caferacer fairing which we have designed, and it follows all the retro design lines with the modern touch. Secondly, there's a Clubman handlebar to get an aggressive stance that the Caferacers need. Third is this Caferacer seat that we have with an add-on cowl. In the seat, we can customize the stitching and the color of the thread. Fourth, these are the side panels that those are just bolt-on fit. You can just remove the stock panels and install these in place of them. This kit is now available on our website. Grab your kit now. Feel free to reach out with any questions you have. We are eager to hear your feedback, so share your thoughts and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content like this.